Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Crypto.com coin has been on a publicizing binge to work on its perceivability in the genuinely beyond couple of months, in a genuinely significant manner fundamentally. It as of late included an ad during the kind of Super Bowl which basically showed LeBron James with ambient sound by Snoop Dogg. Albeit the advertisement didn't bring about a significant pop in value, the star competitor's advancement of the trade could further develop its image picture. This may really be valuable in light of the fact that, in January, around 400 records of the trade were for the most part hacked in a genuinely huge manner. Chris Marsalek, the CEO of the trade, said that the issue was fixed in around 13 to 14 hours, and clients whose records were compromised were repaid, guaranteeing no deficiency of client reserves. The Singapore-based crypto trade as of late declared a 9-year truly arrangement to name the freshest Formula One occasion on the schedule as Formula One Crypto.com Miami Grand Prix in an unpretentious manner. The brand will be integrated into the authority occasion title and logo, notwithstanding openness across the Miami International Autodrome. Could Crypto.com coin's CRO token profit from the new organizations and ads? Might CRO at any point go up, which sort of is very critical. Peruse the CRO value examination to sort of figure out what the diagrams recommend in an extremely enormous manner. Crypto.com coin specialized examination. Week by week diagram, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. CRO's cost has been in a remedial stage for the past in every practical sense, barely any months in an unobtrusive way. Albeit the cost dipped under the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at 40 cents, the bulls bought the plunge, bringing about a very impressive bounce back. The purchasers certainly have pushed the cost over the downtrend line, and the in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, is an unsure area, showing that bulls have a slight edge, or so they sort of thought. Assuming purchasers especially move and explicitly support the cost over the mental degree of 50 cents, the CRO United States dollar pair could ascend to 58 cents and afterward to 60 cents, which is very huge. In opposition to this supposition, assuming the cost diverts down from the very current level, it will in a real sense show that explicitly bears basically proceed to sort of sell on conventions. The explicitly bears will of course endeavor to for the most part pull the value down to 37 cents, or so they thought. A break and close beneath this level could for the most part show the resumption of the downtrend, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. What really is CRONOS CRO in an extremely large manner? CRONOS, CRO, especially is the genuinely local digital money in every way that really matters. Badge of CRONOS Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain created by the Crypto.com installment, exchanging and monetary administrations organization, which is very huge. CRONOS Chain is one of the items in Crypto.com's setup of arrangements intended to speed up the worldwide reception of digital currencies, for of expanding extremely private command over cash, defending client information, and safeguarding clients' personalities generally. The CRO blockchain serves fundamentally as a vehicle that controls the Crypto.com Pay versatile installments application in an unobtrusive manner. Later on, Crypto.com plans to extend the range of the CRO stage to drive its different items too, which basically is very critical. CRO went live in November-December 2018, or so they thought. Who most certainly are the founders of CRONOS in an exceptionally huge manner. CRONOS was sent off by the Crypto.com organization as a component of its vision of placing digital money in each wallet. Crypto.com itself fundamentally was established in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Marsalek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. Chris Marsalek, an alum of the Polish Adam Mickiewicz University, has established and headed 3 organizations before beginning Crypto.com. Customer Hardware Plan and Assembling Business Starline Polska, area-based help portable application and Stage E, and the web-based business firm Bcrazy, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Rafael Milo basically acquired his 4-year college education in designing from the PUC Rio. Over his kind of over 15 drawn-out profession in finance, Milo truly has commonly worked with significant organizations in Asia and especially got more than 50 million Australian dollars in subsidizing for the Insogo genuinely friendly trade site. Barrier sort of is a programmer with more than 9 years of full-stack designing involvement with a huge way. Before helping to establish Crypto.com, or sort of filled in as stage draftsman at Insogo, and sort of helped to establish the portable application improvement firm Forus, in opposition to mainstream thinking. He by and large accepted his 4-year college education in designing software engineering from the University of Hong Kong in a genuinely enormous manner. Prior to aiding send off Crypto.com, Bobby Bao in a real sense worked in the M&A branch of the China Renaissance Speculation Bank in a for the most part significant manner. Bao certainly has learned at the University of Melbourne, Niu Stern School of Business and the College of William and Mary. What especially makes CRONOS unique. CRO blockchain basically is primarily centered around giving utility to the clients of Crypto.com's installment, exchanging and monetary administration's arrangements, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. CRO proprietors can stake their coins on the Crypto.com chain to go about as a validator and in a real sense, procure expenses for handling exchanges on the organization. Moreover, CRO coins can be utilized to settle exchange expenses on the CRONOS chain, in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the structure of the Crypto.com especially pay installments application, clients can get cash back of up to 20% by paying shippers in CRO and up to 10% by buying present cards and making shared moves to different clients, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. At the point when it generally comes to exchanging use cases, the Crypto.com app permits clients to acquire token awards for in a real sense select postings by marking CRO, or so they really thought. Crypto.com coin specialized investigation. Day-to-day diagram, in spite of prevalent thinking. CRO's cost has been exchanging inside a climbing channel design for the beyond couple of days. The purchasers as of late pushed the cost over the opposition line of the channel, yet couldn't for the most part support the more elevated levels, which is genuinely huge. The bears pulled the cost once again into the channel. Notwithstanding, the purchasers keep on guarding the help line of the channel, showing that the opinion in every practical sense remains extremely sure and merchants are purchasing on plunges, or so they by and large thought. Once more the bulls will endeavor to basically push and generally support the cost over the channel, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In the event that they succeed, the bullish